Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to draft an email in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To draft an email in Google Docs, just type @ and type email. Now click on email draft. Here select the email address to whom you want to send the email. I am selecting some persons here, and you can also add more persons by typing @ and then typing the name. And now I am going to add the CC, and I am adding BCC here and typing the subject, general meeting. Now here type the email body and here just email draft is ready. Now just click on the Gmail icon, and if you want you can attach attachment and all other activity you can complete from here, and then you can send the email from here. This is the easiest way to create email draft in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.